guys, so give this morning meeting another try. I lost the other one yesterday somewhere in cyberspace, and I don't know, but hopefully this one works out better. So we'll get started. So today is Tuesday, and the month is March. Now, the good, exciting thing is today is the last day in March. So, what's after March? What month comes next? Yep, April. April will be tomorrow. But today is the 31st. So it is Tuesday, March 31st today. The weather, another beautiful day. It's supposed to be sunny all day, not even like overcast or anything from what I have heard. So we'll go with sunny. And it is supposed to be nice and warm again. Yay for warm weather. All right, moving into our current event. So a new law. A new law may help people and businesses in the U.S. Many businesses are closed. Businesses closed to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Many people are not working now. Some people may not have enough money. The U.S. Congress wanted to help. They worked on a new bill. The bill became a law on March 27th. The law says that the government can give money to people. The government can give money to businesses too. So this new law is helping out with the people that aren't working right now because of this coronavirus. All right, so some questions. What may some people not have enough of? Maps, mail, or money? Yep, money, because of not working. Who wanted to help? The National Park Service, the U.S. Congress, or the U.S. Army? The Congress. U.S. Congress wanted to help. Click. What did the bill become on March 27th?
U.S.
Oh,
Congress.
there it goes. What did the bill become on March 27th? A law, a movie, or a book? It became a law. All right. Well, that is it for today. Oh, no, that's not it. I forgot two things. So on your guys' opportunity to learn calendars, the little choice boards, I am doing one of them each day too, just along with you guys, just to be exploring what you're doing and whatnot. So what I did, the one I did is from the English Language Arts, and I wrote some sentences about my family. So my family includes my mom and Kaden. We do a lot together and love making memories. Caden keeps us very busy because he is involved in a lot. Throughout the year, he plays 5 sports and is also in choir at his school. We also have 3 dogs, crazy wild boxers. We have Scamp, the old man, Maddie, the crazy girl, and Gore, the wild puppy. Along with the dogs, we have a bearded dragon, Timon. So maybe one day I can have him make an appearance. You guys can check him out. But so each day I also will be doing the different opportunities to learn that you guys will be doing. So I'm in the same boat with you doing some homework. And don't forget on the Nike Elementary Facebook page, today is creating a video dancing, singing, and posting it there. But I hope you guys have an awesome day and are doing well. And I will talk to you guys later.